Hi guys, it's your girl Steph. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm giving you my first tutorial with hair. My hair, the one from my head. I think, honest to God, my most favorite hair trend of all time, and it's a very mod-esque Cindy Lou, Whoville the Grinch vibes, and I really love it. It's so retro, it's so stunning. So first of all, let me tell you a little bit about my hair. This is the first video you guys are seeing with my hair, so let me just show you. I look like every Keanu Reeves it's ever been. I look like John Wick Keanu Reeves. It wasn't just a dog. My wife got me that dog. I'm John Wick. This is my natural hair, not in its natural form, of course. My natural hair form is afro. Like imagine this length just all the way. I don't really usually straighten my hair, but I've just been, well, there's not been much to do, and I've just been experimenting with my hair, kind of. So first of all, let me go ahead and just blow dry this quickly with a hairdryer. So I have quite a bit of volume at my ends, which I do like to keep because it kind of helps the curl look really thick and full. Okay, so let's get into the first look. What you're gonna do now is, number one, I'm gonna take my rat tail comb, just gonna split it in between. There we go. Then what we are gonna do is, I'm just gonna make little triangle shapes on either side of my head until I get to like my temple. So there's one. There we go. Just so it stays out of my way. I'm now going to do like a half up, half down parting. So what I like to do is, I like to go just kind of where my sideburns meet my ear. I like to cut it and go all the way up. And I think that's pretty good. I'm gonna maybe just take a little bit more hair. Okay, then what I'm gonna do is, let me just tie this bit up first in a bun so it's out of my way. So what I'm gonna do now is, I'm gonna take my straighteners and I'm gonna curl these ends. So let me just first put it on. Don't come at me for this at all, okay? These straighteners have been with me for a long time. I'd say maybe like, what was that, 8-9 years? Yes, they look disgusting. Yes, they're banged up. Yes, they sometimes don't turn on, but I'm loyal. Pretty much just part it in two, and I'm gonna take my straightener. I like to go halfway first. As I'm going halfway, I will literally just turn it to like a, let's say, 45-degree angle, I'd say. Like, I don't want a whole freaking U shape, but I do just want that. Are you seeing that? Oh, how cute is that? Oh, that's it. All right, now I'm gonna do the other side. Oh, look at that. See? So cute, so full. What I do like to do is, I like to make the back part join. So I'll take it maybe into a third and just take the middle section. Just because people can see your hair from the front doesn't also mean that there isn't people behind you. So just make it look cute. Base is done. Looking cute. I'm gonna focus on this front part. Bam. See that? Done. Now I'm just gonna take the straighteners, straighten this little bad boy. I just give it a kind of slight bend, if that makes sense. And then I'm gonna just put that right there. And I'm gonna take a really cute clip and just clip that in place. And I do like a double look. In place again. Oh God, that's just so adorable. I love it. Then I'm gonna do the same bit on this side. See that? That's really good, actually. So now these clips are from ASOS. I did get them like ages ago though, but I still love them. I know they're meant for your makeup, but with this particular hairstyle that's just so retro, I think it goes so well. So I'm gonna take this out. I am going to make sure that it is very well brushed, that it's super sleek and super tight. Now I always double my bands up because I have a fear, or actually that's a triple my bands up because I always have a fear of my hairbands just breaking on me. So I just prefer to be safe. You need to make sure that this is high. Make sure that your pony is touching the heavens, okay? If it can, if it is possible. I'm just gonna split this hair in two, and we are gonna curl it in the opposite direction, so we're gonna curl it inwards. And same thing on this side. I'm just gonna curl this bit just a little bit more to match this one. And just fluff this little bad boy up. And there you've got it. This is the first just super cute look. Goodness, what do you think? Is it cute? I actually recreated this look and posted it on my Instagram, and just lots of people really liked the picture. And I don't know if it was because of the hair or if it just because I actually look like a girl for once. Damn. That is just cuteness. Okay, so look 2 is really simple. Literally, all you're gonna do now is you're gonna bring both of those adorable little bangs to the front, and you're gonna take your little pony and you're just gonna tie it up like this. Get a big curly band, because these are great. These stretch so well and they keep the shape of the bun, I'd say, really, really well. All right, now then we're just gonna curl these beautiful ends just really, really well. And these ones are gonna curl kind of like diagonal, so they will give you a very 70s-esque look, but they will flare out. Pow. Like so. Oh my god, that's such a good one. I don't think I'll manage to do this other side, but we'll give it a go. See what happens. I can never do the other side, but no issues. All right, gonna go like that. Diagonal, give it a little turn. Straighten that bad boy out. Or curl that bad boy out. You know what? Not bad, I would say. I tried. So I'm just gonna take a couple of these beautiful pearly clips and I'm just gonna put them randomly into gorgeous little places because they just look so cute. Now these clips I got from Zaful when I was still liking Zaful. Okay. All right, now that is the final look. Super cute and just adorable. Okay, let's move on to look 3. Now we're just gonna have to take all of this out. Oof. So now for this look, what you're gonna wanna do is brush everything down, and you are gonna wanna take your rat tail comb and just give yourself a side part. I love a good side parting just to be, how can I say, just above the arch. Oh. Bam. That was good. Kind of take like, I would guess like a frontal portion of your hair, and like how we did for the very first one where we made a parting and we cut into the hair and then we tied it all together, we're gonna do that as well. Okay, so what you're gonna wanna do is start here and you're gonna wanna bring it all the way down to where your sideburn meets your ear, so right about there. Okay, so this is our first part. And then you're going to want to do the same with this side. So exactly where that one started, we're going to do the same thing. And then you're going to bring it all to here. You can put your parting on whichever side you prefer. I personally think that this is just my better side. This one is just like a failure at life. So I prefer my parting to be just showing on my cute side. That's just it. Now I'm going to portion this side and tie it as well. All right, now everything here, I'm gonna tie all of this back so it doesn't get in my way. Let me just, it's all good. All right, now we can undo these little ties. Bam, bam, bam. And I'm just gonna make sure all of these bits are straightened to perfection, to be honest. Now, please do make sure like you put at least some heat protectant spray in your hair before this, but don't put oils and serums in it because it's like putting bacon on a fryer. You know when you put it without anything, it doesn't fry too quickly and it takes a bit longer to cook because it uses its own natural oils, but then when you add oil it just starts to burn. All right, so don't do that. Just put heat protectant spray on your hair and you should be absolutely fine. Now I'm going to straighten this one a little bit more. I'm going to straighten this part a little bit more towards the front, just making sure that it's really flat. Okay, so now I'm going to do something, it's a little bit weird, but just trust me. We're gonna make kind of like a makeshift hairband out of our own hair. So make sure that everything is just brushed really well. We're gonna take a hair tie or 2 hair ties or 3 hair ties, and we're gonna take the 2 ends here, put them over our ear, lay it very flat, just like that. Okay, you can use a ball brush just to make sure it is very flat. Nice, and then we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Behind the ear, very flat. You're gonna make, if you have hair like me, you're probably gonna have some like little loose ends, but don't worry, that's what clips are for. Now you're gonna take these 2 pieces, and if your hair is long enough, you're gonna be able to just tie it back, or you can just use a clip. It's gonna look absolutely crazy. You're gonna look like you have a rat tail, but you ain't gonna see it. Oh my god, that does look really crazy. Okay, so as you can see, we just have this absolutely perfect little side parting thing going on. Very smooth, but I'm just like a smooth, and since everything's out of the way here, we don't have any bangs, we don't have any things falling down, we don't have like any serious stuff. I'm gonna take some edge control Eco Styler gel, and I'm just gonna baby hair myself out. Proud of myself. Now for this end, as you can see, I kind of brought it a little bit down and I used the style gel just to make it really like whoop, whoop. I'm gonna get some pins to keep all of these bad boys in place. Oh yeah, that's just cute. Okay, now we're gonna go back to the main hair. Bring that bad boy down and make sure you just brush all of this back. You're gonna wanna make sure that this really cuts over, so it just really just looks like you have this gorgeous little hairband. I look very cute. I feel like I look like a little sweet angel, but I ain't. All right, now, obviously, what are we gonna do? We're gonna curl our bits, innit? Now I will section this half and half right now, just because there's quite a bit of hair. So let me section it and focus on the bottom part, then I will focus on the top part. And we're just gonna do our curling motion that we've become so good at doing. Okay, so that's it. This is look 3, done and dusted. I really do love this look. I think it's so cute. This is like, who's that lady from Matilda? Miss Honey. It is, isn't it? I feel like this is a very Miss Honey-esque look. Okay, so now it's time for the 4th and final look. Because I just thought I'd give you another one. Why not? It just came to me. Came to me. I just felt, let's just do it. Now what we're going to do is, we're pretty much going to do another kind of half up, half down look in a way. And we are going to hand behind the ears, or hand between the ear and sideburns, all the way up till we reach a point. Grab all of that, tie it up now. But for this look, because it's going to be a lot of head, no, that's wrong and bad to say. Kind of make my baby hairs a little bit more pronounced. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and I'm just going to straighten these little bad babies. Because I don't know what you call this bit. It is a sideburn, isn't it? But when like you purposefully make it look like this because you think it looks cute, I feel like they should be called like baby wings. Yeah, I like that. I'm coining the term baby wings. So yeah, I just like to do my little baby wings like that. So now we are going to brush all of that bad boy. And the most important thing is we are going to middle part this too. So find your middle part. I believe that's it. We will see, won't we, in a second. Oh yeah, that is it. Let me just tie this a little bit quickly just so nothing gets spread in the wrong direction. Okay, so now I'm going to take this section. I'm going to take my bristle brush, and I'm just going to brush all of this very neatly and nicely to a point in the middle. And I'm just going to take my hairband and I'm going to tie that real secure, like so. And now I'm just going to do that as well on this side too. And I'm going to try my hardest to also get it in the similar section that I did earlier on the other side. So at least I'm symmetrical. Oh, that, I did that well. Holla. All right, now I'm just going to go off camera, do my baby hairs well. Okay, so that is super cute. Now I'm just going to curl my ends, and I'm going to curl these little bad boys up. Woo-hoo. All right, now I'm thinking for the final thing, I'm just going to add just my little Chanel bands. Not Chanel bands, they're just like the ribbon you get off Chanel bags, but I love to keep them because I think they're so cute. I'm I'm just gonna add these little bad boys to my hair. Oh, can I even tie a bloody bow? Why am I saying bloody cute when I can't even tie a goddamn bow? I did it! Oh my god, this is cute. Guys, look at this. Guys. Guys. Oh my god, I'm like a little baby. Oh my god, I'm a little baby. Oh, oh my god, this is so cute. I love it. Guinness, do you love it? Am I cute? Oh my god, Guinness, it's so cute. Have you seen how cute it is? Okay guys, this is it. This is the final look. This is number 4. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos with my natural hair, or you want any particular hair videos or whatever, any video, let me know down below. Comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Just watch. I hope you enjoyed watching. But do comment down below if you want to see anything else. I look so sweet. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys soon.